Shortcut is a combination of two or more buttons on your keyboard. Creating a new track, Command-Shift-N. But a hotkey is just one button. So anytime you hit one button, it's a hotkey. This is also when you're using Pro Tools, very important to have the keyboard focus on your edit window. This is a yellow A through Z button that you may or may not notice. It's right here, a Z button. This button should be on. This allows us for hotkeys. So P would be a hotkey to go up and colon would be a hotkey to go down. There's also F12 as well. You could go to keyboard preferences and make everything classic. And when you go to keyboard preferences and turn classic, then all of your F buttons, F1 through F12, are now your Pro Tools buttons. So like F1 is shuffle mode, F2 is slip, spot, grid. And then you got the tools. See how the tools change? I'm going through all my F buttons. You're going to be able to fly through Pro Tools with these F buttons.